What up, what up, what up? Welcome to the Tuesday forecast, and let's get right into looking at the market. We're getting some moves, so the market is moving, which is good. Yesterday when I was sleeping, I think we got some nice impulses, so I did wake up one time during the night and unfortunately didn't get any setups, but the market was moving. So let's see what happened today. This is EU and it is stuck in a range. Stuck in this range bound area. Now that doesn't mean I will not take any trades, but it does mean for me to be a bit more cautious. So what I'm seeing right here, I'm seeing maybe some people are seeing this ascending right here and they're seeing a nice reversal down. As you can see here, nice push, really nice push, I have to say. An okay close, not much of a wick, so that is also good. But for me personally, there are two warning signs that are currently keeping me out of placing a pending order right here. The first would be that we're kind of moving from a descending right here into an ascending structure. So for me, that's signaling more of a range bound price action. Second reason, the overall picture is not looking that good. We are not trending like we are here, like we were here. It's just kind of not moving anywhere. So if I want to go short, I just want a bit more. And the main reason personally, it is Tuesday. Mondays and Tuesdays I tend to be a lot more careful, especially I got really burned by taking like valid setups on Mondays and Tuesdays. And really taking a lot of losses in the beginning of the week. So for me personally, that is kind of the main factor, that it is Tuesday. So I'm just not happy to take this. This is not a textbook no-brainer trade for me. So I am staying out of this one. Maybe it will go, maybe it will tag people in and drop. Maybe it won't tag anyone in, we will see. But I'm looking for a bit more of a push down, to be honest. And then I would consider taking a trade. So yeah, I'm looking for more of a push. Nice flag maybe. I'm also looking for that nice push up. Nice conviction. Move away from this structure. Or I'm also looking for, if we descend into the lower liquidity area, then get a nice reversal up. Or if we ascend and then get a nice reversal to the downside. We will see what happens. I need to see clean price action to clean up a bit. This is not clean price action to me personally. Want to see a bit more. Euro Japanese yen, it looks good. It looks to be pushing up. So the overall structure is not stuck in a range. It's kind of correctively moving up, but still has potential. What I will be looking for this momentum to continue. Now for me personally, we got this aggressive retrace right here. First we got a huge wick and then an aggressive retrace, so that is a no trade. Personally, in this area I will not be looking for a trade. I will be waiting for the break of the low, break of the high. I will see for a nice break and retest. If we get that, or if we get maybe a nice flag for up or a nice trend. So anything to buy. I want to see momentum after the break of the high. That's what I want to see. I don't want to see it just break and then kind of fizzle out. That's just crappy price action. So also, if we get a V like this, I'll look for a range, push down, look for a nice flag to sell. Always looking for that pattern. It's rare that it happens, but once it does, they usually do work out. Also, if we start to ascend, then I will not look for a buy. I will look for a reversal to sell to the downside. That is about it for EJ. I do like this move up. So moving on to the Aussie US dollar. For me personally, this one kind of stuck in a range, so kind of moving from this descending structure into this ascending, so signaling to me more range bound price action. We then broke the low, retrace, broke the low, continued, but just kept breaking and leaving these wicks. Then we left two huge wicks. So very bad warning sign. Not looking for any trades, waiting for a break of the low, break of the high, waiting for the break out of this range structure. We will see what happens. So I'm looking for a push down. Maybe a nice flag, maybe a nice break and retest, a nice trend to start, maybe more of a descending also, nice reversal up. If we do reverse up, then that is kind of a warning sign to me. If this happens, I'm expecting more of a range. Staying out, of course, I'm a trend trader, not a range trader. If we get that large impulse up, I will be interested, but I mean, it really needs to show me some large momentum. Again, a possibility is that we get some sort of a V reversal, push up, nice flag. That is also a possibility. But yeah, that's about it for AU. Not looking that conducive, so yeah, kind of on the fence. And it is still Tuesday, so waiting for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Those are my main days. Those are when the moves usually get some follow through. So more patient on this one. AJ, it is moving up, so that's a good sign. Let me just check if this entry would have worked out. It would have not worked out for me personally. So maybe some people, or maybe it would. I have a 12 pip stop that was 11 and something, so maybe I would have still been in if my order was at this level. But personally, it's just I wasn't seeing anything right here. I was seeing just break and retrace, break of the high retrace, leaving wicks everywhere. Now we're breaking the high, retracing, so it is kind of moving in an ascending fashion. If we do get a nice large impulse, I'll look for something like this. To be honest, if we get a break and retest at this point, I don't think I would be interested. Prior price action is ascending. Usually that's a warning sign on the Aussie Japanese yen. Also for a reversal, if some people are looking for a reversal, I would be a bit more careful, because reversals don't really work out in this pair. So I do have to naked chart it more and backtest it more, a particular reversal on AJ. But as far as my backtesting goes, I have not found them to be profitable. Maybe if they were really clean. So I'm a lot more patient with that particular setup, especially as I said on a Tuesday. Prior price action looks messy, and this doesn't look like it has cleaned up. So this still looks like messy price action. To be honest, I'm looking for that nice confirmation, nice trend down, or nice confirmation, a nice trend up. That's about it. I don't have anything else to say about this one. So the main one so far is EJ, and we will see about NJ, how that looks. So pound, it was looking promising at this point right here. It was looking promising, but for me personally, I didn't like what happened next. I didn't like this wick, and I was asleep also, so wouldn't have been able to place a trade anyway. But yeah, didn't like this wick. And then what happened? Well, price did tag you in if you were in, and then it would tag you out right here. So for me it would have been a losing trade. Good that I did not take this, but I was asleep anyway. So the good thing about it was the clean close. That's always good on the pound. Currently what I'm looking for, I'm looking for this momentum that we just saw to continue up. Let's see if this will continue up, give us a nice break and retest opportunity, or nice clean tight flag. That's what I'm focusing on. Or of course, if it just majorly reverses, then I'm looking for the same thing further down. Nice break and retest, nice flag, whichever we get. And that's about it for the pound. Looking for those high probability setups, really simple stuff. Not looking for any sort of a reversal, just those continuations. Now NJ is interesting, as is EJ. This does look like it has at least some potential, not a lot, but some potential, I would say. So what we're getting is we broke the high here, retraced, broke the high, retraced, broke the high again, retraced, broke the high, retraced, and now broke the high, and we are getting some follow through with a continuation with some momentum. Of course, if this finishes with a wick, then it's just no trade. It just doesn't fit my plan. I am looking for a continuation here, but it really needs to be really clean. I would rather take a flag further up or a continuation further up. This does have potential to move up, what we saw in the prior price action was this huge consolidation. So I was expecting a nice move up or down. This is currently not that nice of a move, but it is moving. So if it cleans up just a bit more, I will be willing to buy on this uptrend. So waiting to see how this one closes. If there's any sort of wick, I'm just not interested like at all. Also, I would most probably not be interested even if we got the clean close, because the entry would need to engulf 2 candles, which would be a bit of a warning sign, bit of a momentum shift. And on a Tuesday, I don't like any momentum shifts, any warning signs, or any engulfing pullbacks. Those are kept for Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So, of course, we can also get a V reversal like this, and then the price can drop. Then we would look for a sell, or it can drop straight from here. Also would look for a sell order. That's about it. That's about it for NJ. That's about it for the whole forecast. We have finished all of the 6 pairs. So EU looks to be continuing down. Let's see what happens, and I will see you guys in the next forecast. Maybe some people will look for a short if this has a clean close. For me personally, I will think about it, but I'm not sure I would be willing to get tagged in by just one candle if this closes down here. Yeah, don't think so. Let's see how it closes. That is it for the forecast. I'll see you guys tomorrow.